Tesla Premium Connectivity is a subscription service that unlocks advanced features in your Tesla, enhancing navigation, entertainment, and remote access. It requires a cellular data plan beyond basic connectivity. Think of it as a digital nervous system, bridging hardware and cloud AI to give you a fully connected experience. Premium Connectivity unlocks a range of advanced features that enhance your Tesla driving experience. Let's explore each one. First, live traffic visualization provides dynamic routing using real-time traffic data and predictive rerouting to help you avoid congestion. Satellite maps offer enhanced navigation with detailed satellite imagery for better route planning. Media streaming gives you access to popular services like Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, and Disney Plus directly through your vehicle's touchscreen. The Internet browser provides full web browsing capabilities for checking emails and websites while on the go. Music streaming includes access to Spotify, TuneIn, and other music services for an enhanced audio experience. Over-the-air updates enable seamless software updates, including enhancements to full self-driving capabilities. Remote access allows you to control features like remote start, climate control, and vehicle monitoring through the Tesla app. As of December 2025, Tesla Premium Connectivity costs $9.99 per month for new subscriptions. You can also choose an annual plan for $99 per year. Some early adopters may have grandfathered plans with lower rates than the current pricing. Tesla also offers a family plan for $39.99 per month, which covers up to 5 vehicles per account. Standard connectivity provides basic features like over-the-air software updates and basic navigation. Premium connectivity unlocks advanced features like live traffic visualization, satellite maps, media streaming, and internet browsing. Without premium, your Tesla experience is limited. Tesla's ecosystem integration update seamlessly connects premium connectivity with Tesla's energy products like Powerwall and solar systems. This integration allows real-time data exchange between your vehicle and home energy systems. Premium connectivity integrates with Powerwall and solar systems for optimal energy management. It enables real-time energy management, adjusting power usage based on driving patterns and energy availability. Home vehicle synchronization coordinates charging with solar production and grid usage. This optimization helps reduce energy costs and supports sustainable driving through intelligent power management. Premium connectivity enhances Tesla's full self-driving supervised mode by providing essential real-time connectivity. The service enables continuous data exchange between the vehicle and Tesla's cloud servers, allowing the system to access up-to-date information instantly. This connectivity improves the vehicle's decision-making capabilities by integrating live traffic data and environmental information, making driving safer and more efficient. By offloading complex computations to the cloud, premium connectivity reduces the vehicle's reliance on onboard processing power, allowing for more advanced AI features. Real-time data enables the system to provide faster and more accurate route optimizations, adapting to current traffic conditions dynamically. Crowdsourced data from other Tesla vehicles creates personalized driving experiences, learning from collective driving patterns and user preferences. Together, these enhancements make full self-driving supervised more responsive and intelligent, leveraging premium connectivity for optimal performance. Tesla Premium Connectivity is evolving towards AI-driven personalization, tailoring the user experience to individual preferences. This includes customized interfaces and layouts, moving away from uniform designs to personalized ones that adapt based on user behavior and habits. Broader smart ecosystem integration connects premium connectivity with Tesla's energy products, robotaxi network, and smart home systems. This creates a seamless network where vehicles can communicate with solar panels, batteries, and autonomous fleets for real-time data sharing and optimization. The future brings unlimited data plans at a flat rate of $15 to $20 per month, made possible by 6G network advancements and reduced carrier costs. This shift from limited to unlimited usage will support continuous connectivity and eliminate data worries for Tesla owners. AI-generated features will include predictive maintenance, analyzing vehicle data to anticipate repairs, and optimize performance. This proactive approach uses machine learning to predict issues before they occur, improving reliability and reducing costs for Tesla owners. Common issues with premium connectivity include temporary outages and connection problems. Let's explore troubleshooting steps to resolve them. Temporary outages can occur due to data center upgrades. These are typically short-term and part of Tesla's infrastructure improvements. To stay informed, check Tesla's service status page on their website or browse user forums like Tesla Motors Club for real-time updates from other owners. Ensure your vehicle has a strong cellular connection. Premium connectivity requires LTE or 5G coverage, so check signal strength in the vehicle display. If issues persist after trying these steps, contact Tesla support through their website, app, or by visiting a service center. Use the contact methods shown here for assistance. Remember, data security is enhanced with end-to-end encryption. Tesla uses advanced encryption to protect your data during transmission, ensuring privacy and security. Following these troubleshooting steps should resolve most connectivity issues with premium connectivity.